we know general form of linear equation in two variable as ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and x and y are the variables, where a and b are not equal to 0 at the same time. We have to see whether the given equation is linear equation in two variables or not. We have these equations, 7 equations. So in first equation, m and n are variables, coefficients are not equal to 0, therefore it is a linear equation in two variables. In second equation, index of second equation is 2, so index should be 1, therefore it is not a linear equation in two variables. Here in third equation, x and y are the variables having index 1, therefore it is a linear equation in two variables. If we will find here the coefficient is 0, therefore it is not linear equation in two variables. Here the coefficient is 0, therefore it is not a linear equation in two variables. Now in equation 6, the 4 upon x we can write 4 into x raised to minus 1. Denominator, if we make it in the, if we bring the denominator in the numerator, the index will be negative. Then this y we can write 5y raised to minus 1 is equal to 4. So the index should be 1. Here index is negative, therefore it is not linear equation in two variables. Now in equation 7, here the form is, general form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Instead of one variable in one term, there are two variables here, therefore it is not linear equation in two variables. Now we will see how to solve the linear equation in two variables. So if two equations at the same time, then we can say it as a simultaneous equation in two variables. Now first we will see this, we will solve this activity. Now you have these two equations, linear equation in two variables, so therefore they are called as simultaneous equation. How to solve? So first step is you have to observe these two equations. Now here if we will observe, the coefficients of x are different but coefficients of y are same. Therefore directly in this example, the example which is given in your textbook, there is a mistake. Instead of plus there is a minus. So equation 1 as it is, equation 2 as it is, we have to just add these two equations. So if we will observe these two equations, plus 3y and minus 3y will get cancelled. 5x plus 2x you will get 7x. So in block you will write 7, here already x is there. 9 plus 12, it will be equal to 21. Now you have to find value of x. So 7 into x, so it will be 21. So 7 will go for division. So 21 upon 7 means here you will get 3. 7 3 is a 21. Now put value of x is equal to 3 in either of these two equations. So here we have put the value of x is equal to 3 in equation 1. So 5x, x value is 3 plus 3y is equal to 9. Now you will keep 3y as it is, 9 and here 5 into 3 15. So this 15 we have to transfer this side, so it will become minus 15. 9 minus 15, the answer will be minus 6. So y is equal to minus 6 upon 3. How? 3y. So this 3 is into, it will go for division here. So 3 ones the 3, 3 2 the, means here you will get 3 2 the 6. So the answer will be minus 2. So y value is minus 2. So solution, while writing solution you have to write always x first and then y. So minus 3 comma minus 2 is the solution. Now we will solve example from practice set. So the example is 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. So this will write as equation 1, and second equation is a plus 5b is equal to 22. We will write it as equation 2. These are the two equations. Now how to solve? We have to observe first coefficients. Now if you will observe here, coefficients of a are different but coefficients of b are same, but they are not opposite. So we will make it opposite by subtracting. So if we will subtract second equation from first, means after subtracting this plus a become minus, means 3a minus 2a, 3a minus 1a, it is 2a. Now 5b, after subtracting second equation, that is plus 5b, means we will write here minus 5b plus 5b minus 5b will get cancelled. 26, this plus 22, after subtracting it become minus 22, it will become 4. So 26 minus 22, 4. Now you have to find value of a. A is equal to 4 upon 2. So into 2 it will go for division. Into 2 it will go for division here. 4 upon 2. So the value of a is equal to 2. Now you have to find value of, here you got the value of one variable. Now we can find value of other variable. How? By putting value of a is equal to 2 in either of these two equations. So we will write equation 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. I will write as it is. Now put value of a is equal to 2 in this equation. So we can write here 3 as it is into value of a is 2. So a is equal to 2, I will write here, plus 5b is equal to 26. Now 3 to the 6. So we can write here 6 plus 5b is equal to 26. Now we can find value of 5b first. So 26. So this plus 6 we have to transfer this side. Then it will become minus 6. So 5b is equal to 20. B is equal to, now we have to find, this is the value of 5b. To find value of b, you have to send this 5 for division here, or divide both side by 5. So we can write here 20 divided by 5 means b is equal to 5 4 the 20. So the solution is a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 4. You can write like this way, or another method is a comma b is equal to 2 comma 4. So this is the solution. Now we will move to second example. So we will see second example. X plus 7y is equal to 10. We'll write it as equation 1. Second equation is 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. Now you think here how to solve. First step, you have to observe coefficients of both the variable. So here the coefficient of x is 1, here 3, here 1, here 3, here coefficient of y 7 and minus 2. So we'll multiply equation 1 by 3 so that the coefficient of x will become equal. You can equalize the coefficient of y also, but here now I will equalize the coefficient of x. Now for that I will multiply equation 1 by 3. So you have to multiply every term of this equation by 3. So 3 into x, so it will become 3x. 3 into 7, it become 3 into 7 21, and 3 into 10 30. So I will write here 3 into x 3x plus 7 3s are 21y is equal to 10 3s are 30. So I will write equation 1, it is modified equation. So equation 2 I will write as it is equal to 7 equation 2. Now here the coefficients are same, but we have to cancel it, it should be opposite. So we have to subtract 2 from 1. So when we subtract this plus 3x become minus 3x, minus 2y become plus 2y, and this plus 7 become minus 7. So 3x minus 3x minus 3x cancel. 21y plus 2y, so it will be equal to 23y is equal to